Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. And today we're just going to get into a law of attraction 90-day challenge. I want to challenge each and every one of you and invite you to the challenge I took, where we are doing one thing a day for 90 days. We are doing one thing towards our goals, whatever your goals may be. If it's YouTube, you upload a video every day for 90 days. If it's your manifestations, you work on your affirmations. You work on what it is that you want to manifest, and your writings, your script writings, and all that. I have many teachings on my channel. I have a lot to help you with. You can use the subliminals or anything that I have on here to help you. And there's many more on YouTube, whatever it is that you want to manifest. But yeah, I'm real excited to do this. I know I've already completed mine. In fact, I'm into the year challenge now. But I just thought I'd put this out there and hopefully you have some fun with it. I sure did. And it's amazing what can come up in your life. If you saw my last video, I was testing software because Audacity went down for me. It wouldn't record. But today, after my computer crashed, that might have been the problem, I reinstalled it again, and it seems to be recording just fine. So I'm really happy about that because it looked there for a little while that I was going to have to buy another computer, which I did last year, and I'd prefer not to. So God is good, and we're okay for now. And with that being said, let's just have some fun with this challenge and let's work towards some of our goals. I think you'll like it. And it's fun. It's a way of holding yourself accountable for what you want to manifest. And every day when you wake up, you know you have to do certain things. So make your list and focus on what you want to manifest and work from there. You know what to do. You know your manifestations, and you know your script writing and your affirmations, your mindset, your attitude, and just be happy, 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 happy. And if you need help, I'm always available. You can just message me on here, just write a comment or something, or you can look through my videos and get some guidance on what you want to go, which way you want to go is what I'm trying to say, sorry. But with that, I just want to say God bless you, have a fantastic day, and I can't wait to see some of the results. Bye for now.